demonstrate a new app for the iPhone and the iPad that allow you to enjoy the fantastic images that the new Mars rover Curiosity have been sending back to Earth. So let's go ahead and launch the app. You'll see a brief splash screen there telling you that it's downlinking the images from Curiosity. And then in the first tab, you see a list of some of the featured images I call vistas that have been selected to be particularly interesting or noteworthy. So let's pick one here and take a look at it. And you can see that this is an image of some Martian rocks. You can zoom and pan around to take a look. Let's try zooming out a little bit, pan around. And then if you want to learn more about that particular image, you can select the info button and it will give you some information about that particular image. This one is a high-resolution view of an area known as Goulburn Scow, set of rocks blasted by the engines and so forth. So let's go back, pick out another one that might be fun, link to a watery past, and you can see some of the Martian surface here that shows some features that might have been left by water at one time. And the info button will tell you exactly what's going on here and why it's considered to be an interesting image. So there are many of these you can sample and take a look at various of them. Here's one that's nice to pan around with. You can see a lot of the Martian surface here. But now let's take a look at another kind of image that you can see also with this app by going to the other tab. And here you have access to the raw images that you would see if you happen to be sitting in mission control watching these images come down from the rover. So Curiosity has 6 different types of cameras on it. Let's pick one here, NavCam, the navigation camera. And these images are presented as a slideshow. They have a transition of about every 4 seconds. And if you see one that's interesting, we can pause. We can, again, pan around. We can zoom in, zoom out. And then when we're ready to go again, hit play. It'll start showing you more images from NavCam. And if the transition time is too long and you want to scan a bunch of them, you can hit the fast forward, and now it's transitioning about once a second. And so if you see one that looks interesting, you can pause again and explore that one more. That gives you a good feeling for what's available here. This is on the App Store. The name of the app is MSL Curiosity. It's for both the iPhone and the iPad. So I hope you will enjoy these little postcards from another planet via this app.